yang moga-moga kebaca semua, but I'm not sure, but it's okay. Yang penting usaha. How are you doing? Okay, so because it's very short, so maybe something I hope I can. So first, you are my role models, and your hard work and patience and kindness are very inspirational to me. And second, I just want to say that you can always reach out to us when you need help. Just like you're on the copy, so whenever you need help, we will be there and we will support you. So no, you don't need to feel shy, you do not need to feel bad or you feel sorry. There's no need to feel sorry, okay? Because we will be there, we will support you, and we will be beside you, okay? And sure, I'm sorry. Thank you so much for coming back. Your music helped me before, and your music helped me now. So as long as you're happy and healthy, remember. So I hope that you can keep making the music that you love. Four, actually my families are all doctors, Lisa. And because Corona is being very hard for us, and can you say something for us and other doctors to support us? Do you have any messages for Indonesia because I'm from Indonesia? Thank you so much. I hope I can see you again later. Kayaknya lebih nih. Gak apa-apa, gak dapet semua apa-apa. Yang penting berusaha, oke? Yang penting berusaha, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Aman, aman. Kamu jatuh sih. Apa? Enggak, pegang. Enggak bakal kelihatan sih sebenarnya, tapi enggak apa-apa. Yang penting ada backup suara atau backup apa aja, backup apapun sebenarnya sih enggak apa-apa. Dimana pun enggak apa-apa. Kamu nggak bisa, kamu grogi. Seriously. Bukan kamu nggak mau, serius. Di mana aja boleh deh, di mana aja boleh. Bismillah. Kamu deg-degan. Kaca. Apa itu? Oh my god, ngapa tiba-tiba nyala? Kesenggol? Okay. 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 I'm so nervous. You see, I prepare everything, but I don't know if I. Okay. I have 5 things I need to talk to you, but I don't know if I have a lot of time. First, Hanbin, you are my role model. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? I am 10 years older than you, but you are my role model.
Really?
Yeah, seriously, like your hard works and your leadership and your patience, especially patience, is like amazing. Thank you for coming back. Seriously. Oh,
My pleasure.
seriously.
Oh, don't cry.
It's okay. Oh, okay. I still have a lot of things to say. Sorry. Okay. Oh, okay. Number 2. uh, uh, I just want to say that if you need anything, if you want to reach out to us, like if you need something, you need to us to help you, just tell us.
just like your song, right? Your Help Me song is my favorite song. It's like because it's very very relatable, you know. Like oh my god. So sorry. One more thing, please. Actually. Okay, okay, it's okay.